Are you filming right now? Yeah. Good. Good, good. How you feeling?
I'm great. I'm blessed.
I'm blessed. You wanna know why?
Why?
Spending a couple hours with you today.
We all blessed, man. Every time we wake up, we blessed.
Fills my heart to be with you, you know what I'm saying?
We blessed every time we wake up.
You know? Even though we're like this sometimes. Right? How you doing? I'm Mike from Harris Water Main and Sewer Contractors. Thanks for watching another video. Before we get started, if you could please like, comment, and subscribe, it'd be greatly appreciated. Today, here with our foreman, Jackman. How you doing?
I'm great. I'm blessed.
So Mike's doing fantastic today. I'm doing good. We are in Brooklyn on Montague Street. So Mike, story here. Customer received a 3-day notice. Rewind a year ago. We were here for a 3-day notice. We replaced this entire copper water main. DEP came a couple days ago and said, they think this line's leaking, right? So we came out here, dug it up. Tell me what's going on.
Well, actually, we dug this water. We put in this water main, 1.25 inch copper water main about a year ago. The customer received a 3-day notice a couple days, and what we call a redig. So we come out and we came out, sorry, and we dug it up. We turned the water off, right, and we sounded it off. You understand? And then we turned it back on and sounded off, and no leak. Apparently, the customer owned the adjacent building.
So he got both buildings.
Yeah, he owned the adjacent building. So what we did, we got access to the adjacent building, and as soon as entering the basement, the adjacent building, we hear a loud noise. Whenever a copper line, any water main is leaking, it makes a noise like air coming out of a balloon.
Like a hissing sound almost. Yeah.
And as soon as entering the building, we hear the hissing sound. We sound off the domestic, it's quiet, but on the sprinkler, wow, it's a huge noise on the sprinkler. So what we did now, we're not working for the adjacent buildings, but the building we're working for, you know, we're gonna call DEP, they're gonna come out, and then they're gonna check it out, and then unfortunately, you know, you're gonna have to get it, you're gonna get it 3 days on the other line because that's leaking. That's the sprinkler, and you could tell when the sprinkler system leaking.
It's loud.
I remember the sprinkler system is stagnant.
Yeah.
It ain't like nobody using it. You know, the water comes in, it runs to the
water
valve and it branch out. It water running. It's stagnant. So once you hear noise on that, it's leaking.
Yeah.
You understand me? So we're gonna sit here and we're gonna wait for DEP. Well,
so real quick, when you approach a job like this, right? We were issued with another 3-day notice. It can only be, what, maybe 1 of 3 things, right?
1 of 3 things.
1 of 3 things. It could be done. Maybe it's electrolysis, right? Maybe it's installed incorrectly. Or it's a 3-day in error.
3-day in error.
So today, 3-day in error.
3-day in error.
We already did what we were supposed to do. We called DEP, we're waiting for them to come down. They're gonna come down. Now, we believe it's the neighbor's sprinkler line, but we can't do anything until we want DEP to confirm.
Yeah, we can't touch it. You understand me?
Okay.
We can't touch it. You understand me? We could look at it visually and give our opinion, but that's second to nothing.
So how do you know 100% it's not our line?
Because then, you know, we went down, first thing first, we shut off the water, we close the top.
Yeah.
You understand me? We close the top. And then we wait no steer to see if the water stopped, you know. The water's still coming, and then on top of that now, is that sound still in the adjacent
Still in
building.
there.
Yeah.
So we know for certain it's not this. We're gonna wait for DEP to come. They're gonna let us know, they're gonna agree with us, and then we move on.
Yeah, usually, you know, they come, they're gonna take about the 3-day notice, and then they're gonna issue a notice for the adjacent building and the sprinkler system.
Okay.
But we can't do nothing till DEP come. So it's like a waiting game.
Gotcha. All right, well, you heard it from Mike. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions, please call us on the number below. Thank you. Mike?
Bless.